What's going on, guys? It's Blake. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are back with another video. I'm gonna be showing you guys my most recent 7 sneaker pickups that I just randomly accumulated over the past few days. I know I've been a little inactive on YouTube. I've been dealing with merging to a new management. I'm dealing with a lot of crypto stuff, and we're gonna get into all of that in future upcoming videos. So all that being said, make sure you drop a like if you're new, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. I picked up about 8 pairs of new shoes, and I just wanted to do a simple unboxing and review for you guys of these recent pickups. We're just gonna dive right into it. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel and drop a like while you're down there as well. Let's get into it. So the first shoe we have right here is a one-of-one custom Cactus Plant Flea Market Blazer Low, I wanna say. It might be a mid, I'm not sure. Basically, Cactus Plant Flea Market did a collab with Nike, and they had these on Nike ID, and I believe you could have just customized them. I didn't get these with a box, I just picked them up for a steal, and I think they're pretty unique and they're a great addition to my collection. Let's keep the ball rolling, move to number 2. Quick interruption in today's video. I gotta give a major shout out to today's sponsor, Squarespace. Thank you guys for sponsoring today's video. Squarespace is one of the leading places online to make your own website. Whether it's selling something digital or physical, Squarespace is the way to go. We're gonna get more into it later on in the video, so let's get back into it. The second pickup is from Dior. We're gonna open these up right here. Dior dust bag, which is pretty sweet. And then, boom. All right, so I've wanted these for a minute. They're actually sold out at a lot of places. And these are a pair of Dior sandals, maybe oblique 23 Dior sandals. They're really comfortable, they're really cushioned, and I think they look pretty cool with the Dior print all on the upper. I have seen a white pair as well, but I for sure wasn't gonna cop a white pair of sandals because they just get dirty too fast. So that's number 2. All right. Third pickup is a pair of Yeezys. This box is really weird. My dad, who's sitting right here, is about to die laughing when he sees these. These are actually ridiculous. They are the foam runners. Yeah, this looks like something you would wear. What's your opinion on these just sitting there?
Those are like, I should wear those.
These look like Crocs.
Yeah, those look like Crocs.
Dude, I'm just saying, if you took a picture in these outside.
In the operating, they could be like clogs. Maybe I should try wearing them.
Oh, dude, if you posted a picture on Instagram wearing these, it would blow up. These are the new Yeezys.
That's why you sent me that.
So weird. It's almost like they did like an inverse of the box, and it's inside. So like I said with Squarespace, it's one of the top places online where you can easily build a website in a matter of minutes. Squarespace offers a lot of really professional looking templates that are really easy for anybody to go use, and you can literally build a website in a matter of minutes. I've already done it in the past, so you can take my word for it. So when I'm telling you guys that you don't have to be afraid to build websites anymore, Squarespace has you guys covered, and for a limited time, they have a link that they gave me. It's in the description. So if you've ever thought of building a website, now is your time to do it. Like I said before, whether it's something physical or digital, like a sound file or a preset, they make it so easy. And I want you guys to join Squarespace. So click the link down below. Thank you, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video, and let's get back into it. Let's go to this side since I'm not showing this side any love. Pair of Yeezy slides. The market on these is really weird. I don't understand it because there's 3 new pairs. This is one of the new ones, and I got these for around 220 bucks. I know they're online for like 160 right now. They kind of dropped. And I did wear these a few times in case you're like, did you buy these? No, they were new. But these are just a pair of the pure Yeezy slides. They run small, so go a size up. You're welcome. Yeah, I think it's a great sandal. They're really comfortable. And they're on StockX right now for like 150, 160. So go get them if you like them. We got 2 Jordan 1s and a pair of off-whites. I'm gonna do one of the 1s and then one of the off-whites. These are pretty cool. Right here we have a pair of pre-owned Jordan 1 mochas. I did buy these pre-owned because I got a steal. I do have 2 pairs of these at the moment, and I wanted to literally just get a pair to have the white laces in because the white laces hit different on this shoe. I think it looks great. It really makes this shoe pop. All the colors on it, and again, the suede is top quality from Jordan brand. We got 2 shoes left. We're gonna do the off-whites and then the Jordan 1s. All right, so this is the second to last shoe. I'm gonna open it. 3, 2, 1. Brand new pair of off-white blazers. These, I think they were tried on because they still have the tags and everything. Yeah, these were purchased from a store in LA, and these are the Hollow Z Nike blazers from the off-white collection. These are not from the top 10 pack, but they are pretty sick, and I think they're really unique and they're great for the fall, and I've been looking for a pair for a minute because these have skyrocketed. Last but not least, we got one more pair of shoes. I think this is the most recent Jordan 1 that's came out that caught a lot of people's attention, and These are the Turbo Jordan 1s. Yeah, these are really cool. They feature a few really awesome materials, a really nice suede. I believe there's a nubuck right here, and then just a really nice soft white leather around the whole upper of the shoe, which is great. I paid around $450 for these. I think they're gonna go up in price. I didn't even realize they come with a pair of dark blue laces. I don't think that would look good on these, so I'll probably stick with the whites that are already in here. But yeah, those are my 8 shoes. So I think I actually said there were 8 at the beginning, but there's actually only 7 shoes. I miscounted. This is a 7th shoe. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna close out the video. Like I said before, if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe and drop a like while you're down there. I'm very excited for some upcoming projects that I'm gonna share with you guys. They're just not ready yet, and I've been working on them. That's why I haven't been posting on YouTube. So if you're like, oh, Blake fell off, blah, blah, just wait. BSneak comeback is coming soon. We're literally gonna put hashtag BSneak comeback right here because you guys are about to be blown away with the content that I have. I'm so pumped and excited, and I'm blessed. I've been given a lot of great opportunities recently with investments and all this stuff, and it's a lot of great content that I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna show to the whole world. So all that being said, it's your boy Blake. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Out of here, peace.